Hello everyone, Assalamu alaikum. This is Publisher Tutor, and in this video today I will present you how to add or insert date and time in Microsoft Publisher. So let's get started. This is a publication and I want to insert date and time in this publication. So first I go to insert menu, then I draw a text box and I draw this text box here, and now I go to the insert and click here date and time, and this is the dialog box, and you can see the date of this today's Sunday, July 10 and 2020, and this is the time in this 6:19 p.m. and this is the format what you want to insert this. I click this the tick mark in update automatically, and now I click this, and now I click OK. The date is inserted here, and if I want to increase this date format, I click this and you can see the date is here 10/7 and 2020, and this is the time in 6:20 p.m. So viewers, you can insert the date and time in anywhere in these pages. I hope you will enjoy this video. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you.